Welcome friends to my channel Trading Sensation. I hope you all are doing well. Yes friends, this particular video is all about StoveKraft Limited IPO. See friends, many people invest in IPOs without knowing in and out. So I have jotted down certain points related to this particular company from the prospectus. So let us go through these particular write-ups that I have written for you all. So StoveKraft is one of the largest kitchen appliance suppliers in India, and it manufactures and sells kitchen solutions under the brand name of Pigeon, which is quite a famous company, you know that, and USDINR brands, and planning to manufacture value premium and semi-premium kitchen supplies under the Black Plus Decker brand. Its product portfolio has 660 plus kitchen solutions, including cookware, cooking appliances, household utilities and others. In 2019, it also started manufacturing Pigeon LED products. Now let us see the distribution segment of this particular brand. It has 651 distributors in 27 states and 5 UTs and 12 distributors for exports under the USDINR brand. It has 65 stores across 4 states and 28 cities. And it not just distributes its product in the Indian market, it also exports outside like US, Mexico, Qatar, Sri Lanka, Fiji, Bahrain, etc. Now it also has manufacturing facilities at Bengaluru and Baddi. All Pigeon and USDINR branded appliances are manufactured at its Bengaluru unit, and Baddi facility focuses on oil company businesses to manufacture products like LPG stoves, inner lid cooker, etc. So this is just a synopsis of this particular company. Now let us go through the competitive strength of StoveKraft. So point number 1, I would say, is one of the largest kitchen appliance company in India, diversified product portfolio. Number 3 is strong brand name. 4 is strong distribution network, and the last one is well equipped manufacturing facility. Now the company promoters, who are the company promoters? Rajendra Gandhi and Sunita Rajendra Gandhi are the company promoters. Now let us go through the financial statements. I'm not going through the details of the financial statements, just the basic numbers. I hope it would throw some light. This is the summary. You can see first column is all about the particulars, then you have the numbers. So this is total asset for 30th September 2020, which turns to around 498.5 crore. It is in millions, you can see. In 31st March it was 4712 million, and then in 31st March 19 it was 4257.26. In 31st March 2018 it was 3936.42. So in terms of revenue, it is quite good. During the lockdown period also, it is showing that the asset part has increased, correct? Because in 31st March it was 4712, in 30th September it was 4984. Now let us proceed to the total revenue part. So in 31st March 2018 it was 535 crore approx. In 31st March 2019 it was 643 crore. And here you see after 31st March 2020, which was 672.9 crore, it completely jumped down. It was 329.5 crore, you can say. Now the fishy part or the crook part, I would say, is this particular figure. See friend, in 31st March 2018 the company had loss of 120.18 million, and in 31st March 2019 it was little bit profit, but compared to this particular figure it was quite a good figure. It is 7.36 in millions, and here you see 3 crore approx, and here the company suddenly showed a huge jump in the profit figure. So this is the fishy part that that grabbed my attention, because you see during the lockdown period the revenue, the total revenue decreased by so much. Everything was shut down, but on the other hand you see that this profit after tax jumped so much. So this is a very fishy part for me. Now let us see some other pointers about this particular company. So what are the objects or objectives of this particular issue? So basically it wants to make the repayment or prepayment of company's borrowings fully or partially and to meet general corporate purposes. And now let us go through the details of this particular IPO. So the IPO opening date is Jan 25, 2021. Closing date is Jan 28. Issue type is book built issue. Now IPO price is 384 to 385, which seems quite costly as per the company valuation. Market lot, it has stated 38 shares for one lot. Minimum order quantity has to be one lot, that is 38 shares. It will get listed in both the exchanges, and this it will get listed on 5th February 2021. Clear? And the closing date will be Jan 28, so it is still open. Now friend, one thing that you need to remember here, that minimum you have to apply if you want, it is for one lot which constitutes of 38 shares, and for maximum you can apply is 13 lots, that is 494 shares. Now just see the promoter holding. Pre-issue shareholding was 61.31% and post-issue it will turn to 54.36%. Now let us see the bidding detail which happened on Jan 25. The StoveKraft IPO is subscribed 0.99x times on Jan 25, 2021 as of 5 p.m. The public issue subscribed 5.37x in the retail category and 0x in the QIB category and 0.05x in the NII category. So a lot of retail participants are jumping in this particular IPO. So this is basic company contact information if someone wants to contact. Now friend, if you ask me personally that whether I am going to apply for this particular IPO or not, it is straight away no, because the numbers seems fishy to me. So I am not going to apply in this particular IPO. And hence friends, please take your decisions accordingly by going in and out through the prospectus and then take your steps. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.